Are you still using an iPad that feels more like a paperweight than a powerhouse? It's time for an intervention. If that same old slab is cutting it in 2025, think again. Meet your next productivity weapon, the Honor Magic Pad 3, a 13.2-inch Android tablet designed to disrupt everything you thought you knew about big screen slates. And it might just be the most balanced tablet in its class. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a tech drop. That could change your digital life. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the display. This is where things get controversial. The previous Magic Pad had an old panel that people loved, inky blacks, infinite contrast, vivid colors. But this year, Honor made a bold move. They switched to an LCD panel. Wait, don't click away yet, because this isn't your average LCD. It's a 13.2-inch, ultra-bright, high refresh rate LCD that punches above its weight. We're talking a 140 Hz refresh rate, meaning scrolling, swiping, and animations feel buttery smooth. No lag, no judder, just fast, fluid motion. For students flipping through textbooks, artists working with brush tools, or multitaskers splitting screens 3 ways, this display keeps up. And it doesn't suffer from the dreaded old burn-in, meaning it'll age better with heavy use. Plus, LCDs tend to hold up better outdoors under bright sun, making it a better option for campus lawns or cafe tables. Still not convinced? Let's get under the hood. Honor packed in Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, yes, the same SoC powering $1,100 flagship phones, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage up to 1 TB. This tablet crushes performance benchmarks. We're talking instant app launches, zero-lag multitasking, and effortless productivity. Whether you're editing 4K video, working on a design portfolio, or just split-screening Netflix and Google Docs, it handles it all with headroom to spare. Now let's talk power. Honor didn't just give you a top chip and leave you stranded. They packed in a 7,500 mAh battery with 66 West wired fast charging. You can top it up to 100% in about an hour. That's right, go from 0 to full in your lunch break. And 10 minutes of juice. That's hours of productivity. iPads wish they had this level of charge agility. The Magic Pad 3 doesn't skimp on design either. It comes in 3 sleek finishes: moonshadow white, floating gold, and starry sky gray. The all-metal chassis feels every bit as premium as its price tag suggests: cool, sturdy, and feather-light considering its screen size. Bezels are slim and even, corners are rounded just enough to be ergonomic, and it feels balanced in the hand or on a keyboard stand. Stylus support is here, and it's good. The optional pen magnetically snaps to the side and supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's ideal for artists, note-takers, or anyone annotating PDFs in class. Latency is minimal. Palm rejection is solid, and handwriting to text support works like a charm. Whether you're scribbling physics equations or sketching UI mockups, this Stylus has your back. On the media side, Honor gives you a stereo speaker setup tuned with their proprietary Hissen audio engine. And yeah, it gets loud. Room-filling, detail-rich loud. Whether you're watching a lecture, editing a TikTok, or hosting a Netflix binge, the audio experience punches way above its weight class. And if you prefer headphones, there's support for high-res Bluetooth audio and wired audio over USB-C. Shout out to all the audiophiles this thing delivers. Cameras. They're serviceable. Don't expect iPhone 16 Pro Max level shots, but they're more than enough for Zoom calls, scanning notes, or snapping campus whiteboards. A 13MP rear shooter with LED flash takes care of document scans and desync pics. Up front, you've got an 8MP camera that does full HD video for online classes or group projects. Bonus, Honor's AI noise reduction makes your voice crystal clear even in a noisy dorm room or cafe. The Magic Pad 3 supports all the modern connectivity standards you'd expect. Wi-Fi 6E for lightning-fast download speeds, Bluetooth 5.4 for the latest wireless accessories, USB-C 3.2 for rapid data transfer, and yes, even an IR blaster, meaning your tablet can control TVs, AX, or projectors, perfect for dorm room Netflix or presenting in class. Security. You've got both facial recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint reader integrated into the power button. Quick, secure, and works without any awkward swipes. And Honor promises at least 2 years of OS and security updates, something Android tablets are finally starting to take seriously. Let's bring it back to the big picture. Is the switch from old to LCD a downgrade for deep blacks and absolute contrast? Yes. But for most users, especially students, creators, and mobile workers, the benefits far outweigh the trade-offs. You get smoother visuals, better daylight, Visibility, no burn-in risks, and a lower price tag. And let's talk about that price. While it's not confirmed yet, early leaks suggest the Magic Pad 3 will come in under $600. Compare that to a similarly spec'd iPad Pro with far less storage, no fast charger included, and a Stylus sold separately, and the Magic Pad 3 starts looking like the smart choice, especially when you get flagship hardware, huge storage, a Stylus-ready screen, fast charging, and a battery that doesn't quit. So what's the verdict? If you've been holding onto your old iPad waiting for something new, this is your sign. The Honor Magic Pad 3 is a fast, fluid, future-ready tablet that's built for students, creators, and professionals who want pro-grade performance without the pro-level price. It's not just an Android alternative, it's a direct iPad challenger. Stay tuned for our full hands-on review when it officially launches later this month. Until then, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and tell us, would you trade old for smoother performance and better value? Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.